Alright, hello guys. So, as you can see from the title, this is an unboxing of the Blizzard gear merchandise that we ordered during Black Friday. But it took almost 3 weeks for it to arrive to our place, which is Brunei Darussalam. This is because we shipped it to Malaysia first, and from Malaysia they'll ship it to Brunei. Okay, so this was the packaging it came in. They sent via FedEx. We took the FedEx packaging out, and this is the box they sent it with. Okay, this is our first time. This is our first time ordering stuff from the Blizzard store. My assistant will help. There you have it. We got the receipt. Right. But the first thing, this is a stuff that was provided free for every packaging during Black Friday. So inside here, they'll give. We don't know which of this is the toy that we received. It could be one of these. It's like another loot box thing, right? So we're gonna receive one of this, which I will unbox. I should unbox now. Let's see which one we got. We got the. Oh wait, hold on. We got the May. We got the May. Of all heroes, we got the May. Right. Right. So we got the May.
That's my next main anyway.
We ordered 2 Overwatch League jersey. Right. This is the starter one, the first edition, and this is the authentic. Right. Let's check what else we got in the box before we compare what's the difference between these two. We also have the long sleeve t-shirt, another Overwatch League long sleeve t-shirt. And we have 2 Overwatch League scarves, Soul Dynasty and Outlaws. Okay, and that's all in the box. Okay, so first thing first, let's see the difference between these 2 jerseys. Alright, this is the authentic one, and this is the starter edition. Right, for most of you who never bought merch from Blizzard before, you'll be wondering what's the difference between these 2 actual jerseys, right? So this is my first time ordering, so this is the first time I will actually see firsthand what the difference would be. Right, so the first difference you will notice is that this one is lighter and felt slightly cheaper. Of course, it is slightly cheaper compared to the authentic one. So if I'm not mistaken, it's made from a whole different fabric as well. This one is a bit more elastic if you're into those kind of stuff. Well, this is not as elastic as this. I forgot what material they were made of. Okay. So we know the fabric is made out of different fabric. Let's see what else the difference are. We got this one, the Overwatch logo, Overwatch League logo. This is stitch. It's not printed. It's stitched on. Compared to this, right? This is fully printed. Okay, for this one, everything is fully printed. Okay, none of these are stitched. These are all fully printed on jersey, including the back and everything. For this one, here. Even the side here as well, this is like a stitch kind compared to a printed. Alright, let's see what else there are. They have this extra logo here. Well, this one doesn't. Right, I think this is like a team sponsor or something, I'm not sure. The back side. The print quality of this one is much more better. It feels much more quality compared to this. But I'm not saying that this is bad. This is a very simple, very lightweight, very soft fabric. Well, this one has more quality to it, and it's more spandex, more flexible-ish. Right, so that's the main difference that I can find. So these are both M. Another difference is that the inside of the starter one is white, while the insides of this authentic one is black. I think it's according to the jersey color, but this one's black. I think this one, they're all white inside. Right, here's the scarf. It's quite thick. It's thicker than I thought it'd be. Alright, the fabric is nice. I think it's cotton. Okay, the strands are nice. The qualities are good. The knits are good. Right. Look at that. It's quite thick. It's quite thick. If you live in a cold country, this is probably gonna be very comfortable. Right. Me personally, I'm just gonna hang this on my wall. Yeah, you wanna try that on?
Yeah.
Lee, we're doing unboxing video. Do you mind us opening yours from the plastic package? Alright, thank you. Right, so this is the long sleeve Excelsior, New York Excelsior shirt. The long sleeve.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, these are made of cotton, as what they say. These are stitches. Stitches. This. These are also I think stitches. So yeah, this is the long sleeve one. This is XS. Oh, they got something in the back also. Also I don't know if you call it stitches, but okay. So yeah, there you have it. This is all the stuff that we ordered. Okay, hit like and subscribe. Watch our Overwatch video right here. Here. Alright, thank you. Hit like, subscribe, and bye.
What's up?